Week 11, Module 9, Multi-Application Conversion, Student Success Center. Open the Word document, the PowerPoint, and the Excel. In the Excel, first thing you should do is go to Page Layout, Themes, and select a theme, and then save where you've been saving all your files. In the PowerPoint, click in the subtitle and type your name, and then select Design and the themes. So I chose Slice for Excel. Save. And right now my letters I can't see, so I'm going to select my name and change the font. And I think the picture we need to send forward, so picture format and choose bring forward. And there you have your name. So go ahead and save and submit that. Not save and submit, save and close. In the blank space underneath the title, select Insert. I'm going to get the PowerPoint slide, so Object, Create from File. Go ahead and get your PowerPoint that you just saved. Click Link to File. In the blank space between the two paragraphs, we'll get the worksheet. So Insert, Object, Create from File. Go ahead and get the Excel spreadsheet you saved. Click Link to File and OK. Double-click the Excel spreadsheet so it makes the Excel part of it active. Select your range, Control-C, close out of here. And then underneath, we'll put Academic Student Support Services on the next page. So Control-Enter, Control-End, Insert, Chart, Pie, 3D, OK. And in the startup file, we'll Control-V. You can widen the column if you'd like. And then I'm going to choose 3 for the style. And then close out of here. Well, before I close out of here, I'm going to change the testing setter instead of 160, should be just 60. And then enter, and you'll watch the testing center, which is the green, change from 34% to 16%. And then we'll close out of here and update the spreadsheet on the first page. Double click to make it active. And the testing center should be 60. Enter, and I'm going to widen the columns for A and B, and then close, save, and widen the columns here. Because I widened the column in here and I changed the testing center to 60, when I close out of here and then update, right click on the chart and click update link, it's going to do two things: change the 160 to 60 and also make column A a little bit wider. So update link, and there you have it. So let's view multiple pages, and you should have your title, your PowerPoint slide, your Excel spreadsheet, and your pie chart. And that's a save and submit. Thank you.